What if the real reason walking feels harder, your knees feel stiffer, and your energy drops after 60? Isn't just getting older at all. It sounds almost impossible, because for decades, seniors have been told that muscle loss is completely inevitable once you hit a certain age. They tell you that losing your thigh strength, struggling to stand up from a deep couch, or feeling unstable on your feet is just a normal part of life. But right now, thousands of adults over 60 are completely reversing that slide, rebuilding lost muscle fibers, protecting their knee joints, and reclaiming their physical freedom. And they aren't using heavy gym machines, expensive personal trainers, or hours of exhausting cardio to do it. They are using one single, high-leverage movement you can do right now using nothing more than a standard household chair. To understand why this simple movement changes everything, you first have to look at the hidden thief draining your strength every single year. It's a medical condition called sarcopenia, the rapid, silent loss of muscle mass that accelerates sharply after age 60. When sarcopenia sets in, your body doesn't just lose muscle size. It completely shuts down the high-power, fast-twitch muscle fibers in your thighs and glutes. When those specific fibers go dormant, every daily task, from climbing stairs to standing up out of a car, starts to feel like lifting heavy lead. Even worse, most people try to fix it by going on long walks. While walking is fantastic for your heart, it does almost nothing to stop sarcopenia in your legs. So, what is the exact step-by-step chair movement that forces your body to reactivate those dormant leg muscles and lock in your balance for good? It isn't an intense gym squat, and it definitely isn't a dangerous free weight exercise. It is a specialized daily chair squat protocol, and the specific 3-second tension trick used during this routine will completely blow you away. Before we begin the 20-minute daily flow, there is one critical posture rule you must know, or you risk putting unnecessary strain straight into your lower back. When most seniors try a chair squat, they make a fatal mistake. They collapse their chest forward and slam their weight back onto the seat. Doing that completely bypasses your thigh muscles and transfers all the force directly into your spinal discs and knees. Here is the secret visual cue to prevent that instantly. Imagine there is a tight steel cable attached to the center of your chest, pulling you up toward the ceiling at a 45-degree angle. You place your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, with your toes pointing slightly outward. Now, before your hips even move, lock your core tight, pull your shoulders back, and brace your body as if you're preparing to lift a heavy object. Instead of dropping straight down, you push your hips back first, as if reaching for the edge of the chair behind you. You lower yourself under control, taking 3 full seconds to descend, until your thighs lightly graze the cushion. And here is where the real magic happens. Do not sit down completely and relax. The moment your body touches that cushion, you pause for 1 second, drive down through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and power back up to a full stand. If you feel a warm, deep surge of energy through the front of your thighs and glutes right now, do not worry. That sensation is the exact sign that your brain is rewiring its connection to dormant leg muscles and driving fresh blood straight into your joints. Now, we are moving into today's full guided 20-minute routine. We are going to complete this together in real time, step by step, progressing through 3 key phases. Phase 1, joint activation and neural warm-up. Phase 2, the core chair squat building sets. Phase 3, the functional balance and muscle endurance finisher. Get your favorite sturdy chair ready, set your feet flat on the ground, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's begin Phase 1, joint activation. We start sitting on the front third of the chair, tall posture, hands resting gently on your lap. Lift your right foot 2 inches off the floor and perform smooth, controlled ankle circles. 5 clockwise, 5 counterclockwise. Switch to the left foot. This simple priming movement signals your central nervous system that work is coming, instantly increasing synovial fluid inside your ankle and knee joints. Now, slide both feet back slightly so your heels are firmly planted under your knees. Cross your arms over your chest. Or, if you need extra support today, extend your arms straight out in front of you like handlebars for leverage. We are going to perform our first 5 preparation reps together. Lean forward slightly from the hips. Keep that chest up. Push through your heels. And stand. Squeeze at the top for 1 second. Beautiful. Now, slow control on the way down. 3, 2, 1. Light touch on the chair. Rep 2. Drive up through the heels. Stand tall. Squeeze your glutes. Lower down. 3, 2, 1. Light touch. Rep 3. Stand strong. Notice how pushing through your heels instantly turns on your glutes instead of straining your knees. Lower down with control. Rep 4. Up again. Hold at the top. Feel your posture open up. Lower down slowly. 3, 2, 1. Rep 5. Stand tall. Hold. And take a controlled seat. Rest for 30 seconds. Take a sip of water if you need it. Notice how even after 5 warm-up reps, your heart rate naturally lifts and warm blood is circulating through your lower body. Now we move into phase 2, the main muscle building sets. This is where we actively combat sarcopenia and rebuild real thigh density. We will perform 3 structured working sets. Pace yourself. You can do all repetitions or take a rest whenever your body asks for it. Set 1 begins in 3, 2, 1. Stand up strong. Rep 1. Lower down smoothly. Touch. Stand up. Rep 2. Lower down. Touch. Stand up. Rep 3. Keep that chest lifted, eyes looking straight ahead. Stand up. Rep 4. Controlled descent. Stand up. Rep 5. Halfway through this set, stand up. Rep 6. Drive through the floor. Stand up. Rep 7. Feel that leg power building. Stand up. Rep 8. Smooth control. Stand up. Rep 9. Almost there. Stand up. Rep 10. Hold standing for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And sit down under full control. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Rest your legs for 45 seconds. While you rest, notice what's happening inside your body. That mild pump in your quadriceps is proof that your body is releasing natural growth signals to retain and rebuild muscle mass. Set 2 is where we build functional strength. If you need to use your hands on your thighs for a little assistance on this set, that is completely okay. Position your feet, brace your core, chest high. Set 2 begins now. Rep 1, up strong, smooth down. Rep 2, up strong, feel the stability in your ankles. Rep 3, stand tall, controlled touch. Rep 4, drive up, keep your weight balanced through your midfoot and heels. Rep 5, stand strong, you are halfway through set 2. Rep 6, push through, reclaiming your independence step by step. Rep 7, up, control the descent. Rep 8, stand tall. Rep 9, almost there, stay focused. Rep 10, final rep of set 2, drive up, hold, and sit down gently. Fantastic work. Rest for 60 seconds, shake out your legs. We have one final strength set before our mobility finisher. If you practice this exact sequence every single day within just 7 to 10 days, standing up from low cars, couches, and deep chairs will feel completely different. You'll notice less knee stiffness in the morning, more confidence on stairs, and a solid, grounded feeling every time you walk outdoors. Final set 3. Let's make these 10 reps count. In 3, 2, 1. Rep 1, up, smooth control down. Rep 2, stand tall. Rep 3, drive through the heels. Rep 4, up strong, keep breathing smoothly. Rep 5, halfway, stay with me. Rep 6, stand tall and confident. Rep 7, control that descent, don't drop. Rep 8, drive up. Rep 9, one more strong repetition. Rep 10, drive all the way up. Hold standing, squeeze your glutes, and sit down slowly. Now pause and sit tall for a moment. We enter phase 3, the functional cool down and balance finisher. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you, heel on the floor, toes pointed up toward the ceiling. Hinge gently forward from your hips with a flat back until you feel a comfortable stretch along the back of your hamstring and calf. Hold for 15 seconds. This stretch releases tight muscle tissue, preserving your range of motion so your joints stay fluid and pain-free. Switch to the left leg. Heel down, toes up, hinge forward gently. Hold for 15 seconds. Sit back up tall. Roll your shoulders back 3 times. Take one last deep breath in and exhale completely. You just completed a massive step toward protecting your body, stopping sarcopenia, and preserving your physical freedom for years to come. Now, I have a quick challenge for you today. Drop a comment right down below right now and tell me, how many total chair squats were you able to complete in today's routine? Whether you completed 5, 15, or all 30 reps, Every single one counts toward rebuilding your strength. If you want to stay strong, balanced, and independent after 60, hit that subscribe button right now, tap the like button, and share this workout with a friend who needs it. Thank you for moving with me today, and I will see you in tomorrow's routine.